Harmony Redevelopment. Nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. Topographical survey of plot number 468 and 469. Harmony Apartments, 7th Main Road, 2nd Cross, Anna Nagar, Chennai 40. Topographical survey of plot number 468 and 469. Harmony Apartments, 7th Main Road, 2nd Cross, Anna Nagar, Chennai 40. Office bearers of Harmony Welfare Association have been proactive and enterprising, and have obtained details such as survey sketch, survey map, flat size details, etc., and have shared it with the association through WhatsApp messages from time to time. Office bearers of Harmony Welfare Association have also shared the details with the developers who had shown interest in Harmony redevelopment from time to time. Many thanks for all your hard work. We are so thankful for all that you do. 6 major developers had sent proposals. 1. Jain Builders. 2. Nova Developers. 3. Vishranti. 4. Ramniam. 5. Casa Grande. And 6. Ananya Krishna. The proposals are discussed in brief. Jain Builders. With an authorized capital of 105 crores and share capital 101.35 crores, Jain Builders is one of the leading operators in Chennai. Jain Builders. Offer letter dated 21st September 2021 was received. Offer letter was circulated to the members. Meeting held on 26th September 2021 to discuss the proposal. Letter was sent to Ms. Jain Constructions on 27 September 2021 seeking a few clarifications. Revised offer letter dated 11th October 2021 received. Some members of the association had apprehension about the project execution by the builder. Proposal was not taken forward. Jain Builders had offered an achievable area of 80,697 SFT on 65-35 sharing basis with a rental of 15,000 per month and a non-refundable goodwill money of 2 lakhs to be paid to every owner by the builder. That was the end of the Jain Builders offer. Nova Life Space Private Limited, with an authorized capital of 5 crores and share capital of 3 crores is operating in Chennai for more than a decade. The first offer was received on 12 August 2021. The second offer letter with clarifications was received on 14 September 2021. The proposal was discussed in the association meeting and dropped. Achievable area, space sharing ratios were not found workable on the offer sent by Nova, both in the offer communications and discussions. Vishranti emerges as a new option in the meet. Vishranti Builders is one of the reputed builders. They had offered a proposal for redevelopment on 23 December 2021. In a matter of 30 days, the following actions were undertaken by the builder. A meeting was arranged for owners to explain the main points in the offer letter. A detailed PowerPoint presentation was made. Clarification was provided on all points raised by the owners. Owners were taken for a site inspection of the buildings constructed by Vishranti. The construction time for the new building was proposed as 24 months. And all this happened in matter of 45 days. Great involvement and quick response was shown by the builder. Time is the essence of the project. Yet, the proposal was not taken up for consideration. Offer letter dated 23 November 2021. Clarification on doubts raised was sent by Vishranti on 1 December 2021. Presentation of the redevelopment project by Vishranti team at Malayali Club on 12 December 2021. Letter dated 31 December 2021 from Vishranti after an inspection of buildings constructed by Vishranti by redevelopment team. The rebuilding committee was requested for an early examination decision on the offer, since delay is resulting in escalation of cost in all areas including material, government fees guideline value etc. Letter of consent 6 January 2022. Construction time offered was 24 months plus 6 months. Redevelopment would have been completed by now had the proposal been followed up. The proposal was dropped due to some issues not clear. Till date, this was the best offer on many counts.
Time doesn't wait. Indecision will only let opportunity slip by.
Ramniam Realtors, a Chennai-based real estate company, was founded in 2009. Specializing in residential construction, redevelopment of dilapidated buildings, the company all while aims to ensure top-notch quality, innovative design and efficient time management.
Ramniam Builders. 2 years and still waiting for a response. Ramniam entered the scene in September 8, 2022. It exactly 2 years from today, August 9, 2024. August 9, 2022, proposal was sent by Ramniam on letterhead with built-up area proposal of 79,000 SFT, February 20, 2023. Sri Sridhar Ramniam sent an email at 5:50 p.m. informing, "We have now decided to enhance built-up area to 80,000 SFT." This was 5 months after the first proposal, dated August 9, 2022, referred to above, was received. Owners and residents in the flats have been reporting about roof collapse, ceiling collapse etc., and the tardy response is overwhelming.
Owners had submitted all the basic documents, Xerox copies, like sale deed, EB, property bill etc. to the association, and the association had in turn handed it to the builder, in utmost good faith, to enable the builder to work on the project. President has reporting that his calls are not attended and there is no call back. The repeated incidents of ceiling collapse etc. has created disappointment and frustration, and non-response and indecisiveness for months, even after all preliminary documents is submitted, is beyond comprehension. Such a position leads to the question as to what would happen if the rebuilding work is handed over by any chance. 21st July 2023, another year had rolled by from the date of the first proposal on 8 September 2022. Updates and clarifications were sent wide letter dated 21st July 2023 by Mr. Sridhar. However, there was no indication as to whether the project would commence. Today is 8 September 2024. 2 years since the proposal for redevelopment was sent by Ramniam. Even today, there is virtually no commitment about the commencement of the processing of papers by Ramniam. Guideline value has increased by about Rs. 4,000. The value of the builder's share of land would increase, but the owners who would like to purchase additional area have to shell out this difference. Delay has been detrimental to the interest of the owners. But the question is, would the occupants have to bear the delay, the falling roof etc., with a broad smile, as always? Ramniam has offered 80,000 as achievable SFT, with a share of 60-40 between owners and developers. Car parking is shown as 60-40 share between owners and developers, but it is not clear whether each owner would get one covered car park as assured by other builders. There is no clarity on this matter till date. Mr. Sridhar in his email dated 5th June 2023 mentioned that Ramnium Builders would not be in a position to bear the GST for the owners' flats. The owners may need to pay before taking over of their respective flats. It is not clear whether the GST mentioned is for the new flat to be offered on redevelopment or additional area in the new flat which some owners may purchase. Builder should explain this clearly in his document under stamp and signature and not leave it for guess. WhatsApp messages won't do when we are dealing with agreements, payments, etc. Speak up your mind. You are not responsible for the version of you that exists in other people's mind.
Casa Grande is a real estate builder with more than 2 decades standing. The brief details of the company are shown here.
Casa Grande had sent its proposal dated 9th July 2024 with an achievable area of 82,216 SFT on 57/43 sharing. Casa Grande sent a revised proposal dated 22nd July 2024 with an achievable area of 82,216 SFT on 60/40 sharing. The second proposal was received within a fortnight of the first proposal. Casa Grande sent a revised proposal dated 22nd August 2024 with an achievable area of 82,216 SFT on 62/38 sharing. The third proposal was received within a month of the second proposal. Both builder and the association have acted with alacrity and deserve appreciation. Any effort to address the pain, anxiety and suffering of people affected by the structural issues in the building is praiseworthy. Time is the essence of the contract. Every offer needs close examination. Examination of an offer should be strictly on the comparative strength in the offer. Mutual intent to enter into the contract should be recorded in writing and followed up by Memorandum of Understanding. MOU. The two proposals in hand, Ramnium and Casa Grande, are compared on each point for evaluation. Before that, here is a quick glimpse of Ananya Construction's offer. Ananya Construction's offer requires a relook with the builder. Ananya Krishna Constructions. The total achievable area is shown as 73,626 SFT with a 60/40 sharing. The flat plus shop owner's share is shown as 44,090 SFT. The developer's share is shown as 29,536 SFT. The total achievable area should match the other builders at 80,000 SFT for further consideration. Other areas can be examined if total area issue is clarified. Builder has clearly stated in the offer letter that 1. The offer and other calculations are prepared based on the information given by the land owners. 2. The extent of land to be considered for development will be taken up to the following extents. Extent as per document. Extent as per patta. Extent as per physical measurement at site. 3. As per the current CMDA norms, the permitted FSI of 2 times of the land extent would be possible as super built-up area. 4. Association may have to rework the land extent and achievable area with the builder. The two proposals in hand, Ramnium and Casa Grande, are compared on each point for evaluation.